You again for allowing us to speak today and for listening to us. These are important times. We're really at a very important point in the criminal justice system. So I'd like to read you a quote because it's why I became a prosecutor and what I think a good prosecutor is. Citizen safety lies in a prosecutor who tempers zeal with human kindness, who seeks truth and not victims, who serves the law and not factional purposes, and who approaches his task with humility. That was former Attorney General and Supreme Court Justice Jackson who said those very words, and I think they so well encapsulate what it means to be a prosecutor. What we've heard today from Mr. Hestrin is it's Sacramento's fault, right? It's not the fault of anything within the Riverside County District Attorney's Office that we have a homicide rate that is soaring, that has gone up well before the times of COVID. He cites one statistic, basically 1 year of our homicide rate being better than certain counties as an illustration that we are a safer county. I think he said the safest county, one of the safest counties in Southern California. By what metric are we the safest county? How are we safer than Santa Barbara? Are we safer than San Diego? Are we safer than Orange County? Are we safer than San Luis Obispo? We're in the bottom third of the counties in Southern California. We're not the safest county by any criminal justice metric.
30 seconds.
Mr. Hestrin has had 2 terms as district attorney, and here are some facts we can't get around. Crime is up at a higher rate here than the rest of the state. His budget is up 53% just since he took office. The attorneys are leaving in droves. A third of the attorneys have left, and we're not seeing that in other counties. He could blame COVID, but that's not what's happening here. And we're facing one of the biggest public safety crises we have encountered with these 1,900 criminal cases awaiting trial and no courtrooms to try them in. We have layered a public safety crisis upon a public safety crisis, and Mr. Hestrin has no plan to deal with it other than to blame Sacramento and ultimately the courts when these cases begin to be dismissed. I ask for your support. We need a change. Thank you.